Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss some basic concept about the integration, and successively we will discuss in this content the total integration parts for the students of intermediate level. So basically integration is a part of advanced mathematics and is the successively it came in the calculus part. So, and first of all you have to know what is integrations. So integration basically one kind of functions, and by explaining this function with integration we can find its displacement, volume and area. Like this is a circle. By integration we can find this area of the circle. We know when the radius of the circle is r, then its area will be pi r square. But by the integrations, if we consider here two axes, and if we can find the area of this part by using integration, then multiplying with 4 we can find the area of the whole circle. And so by this way we can find the volume of a particle three-dimensional, or we can explain the displacement of a functions. So integration concept first came from Sir Isaac Newton and William Leibniz. Like consider f is a function whose variable is x. So we can explain f of x equal x square plus twice x. And if we explain this function in a number line like this one, we consider this one is 0 and this one is a, or 2 or 3 we can use here 2, and this is the 4. And just if we want to explain this function in the interval 2 to 4, then we will get here f of x, this integration limit, the 2 to 4, then dx. So basically this one will be first format of the function f of x equal x square plus twice x. And if we do integrate this one, like this one is the 4 2, this is called lower limit and this is called upper limit. So find the value of f of x. This one is given x square plus twice x, and this is d of x. Now how many part we see here? 2, like a plus b. If we see here f of integrate part of a plus b, we can write here dx, we can write here f of a dx, integration f of a dx plus integral of b dx. So similarly we can write here 4 to x square dx plus 4 to twice x dx. And now this is divided into two parts. Now you have to know what is the result of this part and this part. So basically we will use here the first common formula, like x to the power n dx. The first common formula will be like the power and coefficient. This power is n. Doing integration we will get here n plus 1, and then n plus 1 we have to write in a denominator parts. So this one is the result of these integrations. So similarly we can write here, x, this is the 2, then 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, and this integration limit we can write here 4 and 2. Similarly this is the coefficient, so first write coefficient here, and this is the invisible power 1, so we can write here 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, and then integration limit 4 and 2. Now this result will be, if you write here x cube divided by 3, and the limit is 4 and 2, and here 2 times of 2 times of x square divided by 2, and then integration limit is 4 and 2. Now you can find, or you can take or find out from the bracket the numerical part. So if you find out here the numerical part, it will be x cube and 1/3. The integration limit is 4 and 2. So similarly we can eliminate 2 and 2. There will be only remaining x square and integration limit 4 and 2. Now this is the 1/3. First you can apply here upper limit. This is the 4 cube minus 2 cube, and now just do multiply here. Similarly 4 square minus 2 square, this is the 1/3. 4 cube, 4 4 the 16, 16 3 4 times 64. Then this one is 8. Now this is 4 4 just 16 minus 4. So doing simple calculation, you will get here 8, 6 carry 1, 56 divided by 3 plus this one is 12. So now doing simple calculation, you can write here 56 plus 36 divided by 3, and then 2, 9 divided by 3. So this is our final answer. So doing the integration with the limit 2 to 4, we will get here 92 divided by 3. So and if we give another example, like f of x is a function which we can explain with, or we can write here x root over x. And now what is the result of this one? Just find the f of x, integrate this one with the limit like 1 and 5. So what will be result here? Fine. First you have to apply the value of f of x. This one is root over x, and this limit is 1 to 5, and this one is dx. So now we can write here what is the result of this one? Root over x indicate here. We can eliminate first one. What is the result of this one? Like x 1 by 2. This root indicate the power 1 by 2, and this is the dx, and integral limit is 1 to 5. Now using the common formula, this is the power, so you can write here this the power plus 1, then denominator part will be 1 plus half divided by 1, and then now our integration is complete here. Now use the integration limit 5 and 1. Doing simple calculation, you will get here 2 and 3, and this is also 3 by 2, and this is the 5 1. So now this one just find out from the bracket. This one will be 2 by 3, and then x 3 by 2, integration limit 5 and 1. Now apply here 2 by 3. Now this one will be 5 3 by 2 minus 1 3 by 2, and 5 3 by 2 we can write here 2 3 or like here 5 cube we can write here 5 cube like 5 cube, and then root over we can write here, and this one will be 1. 5 cube, 5 multiply 5, this is the 25 multiply 5, 5 5 is 5, 5 2 is 10, and 25. So 5 2s are 10, sorry 5 5s are 25, carry 2, and 5 2s are 10, this one will be 12, 125. So now or we can write here 2 3. Doing this one calculation, we can get here 5 root over 5 minus 1, and this is our final answer. Doing the simple calculation, eliminating root over 5 square, then you will get here 5, and then another 5 we can write here root over 5, then minus 1 remaining. So this is our final answer. So by doing this simple calculation, this is the simple function. Sometimes the functions may be like trigonometric functions, f of x equals sin x, or sin x plus 1, or cos x tan x, like this. So in the next content we will discuss how to find the integrations of trigonometric functions. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please do comments. Hopefully see you again in the next content. Allah Hafiz.